going on, people? We out here, Carnegie, on a freaking Monday, dude. Can you believe it? On a Monday. Haven't been riding on a weekday in freak probably over like 7 years or so. I can't even remember last time I rode on a weekday. But check it out. My wife had my baby, healthy baby boy, 7.4 pounds, and took a week to get used to him. She's dialed in with him, so she said, check it out, you get a pass, your permission slip is signed, you can go ride. And I'm like, hell yeah, I'm out. So here we are. Woo! Look at that, boys. So we're out here. We're gonna get some Carnegie footage for you guys. Got my buddy Average Joe here. New beta. Check that baby out. We're gonna go get some trail action in for you guys. Stay tuned. Peace. Oh my God, we're full of traction out here. Woo, woo. Oh yeah. Dude, it's perfect out here, dude. Yeah, that's crazy right there, bud. I was looking for this off-camber little trail right here. Came up pretty fast. Oh, hello, neutral. Tell you, can't go a day without a neutral action, and showed up early. Front tire's biting good, rear tire's slacking. There you go. There it is. Oh my God, it's so awesome right here, dude. Smash that like button. You guys are dirt bike riders, you guys know. Whoa, whoa. You guys know how.
You fucked me up,
Ah, my bad. No, I was looking for that tight turn and then it came up. I was like, fuck. I didn't want to go up.
You went down and then I was like, bam.
Oh, my bad. Oh yeah! Woo-hoo. Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, he's right there. Check it out, man. I was honestly thinking like Sunday, you know. I was thinking to come out Sunday, but I was like, nah, you know, it's too soon. You know, I've got to get dialed in with the sun, you know, little baby boy. And so I said, freaking Monday, but then I was a little worried, thinking like, hey, it might be dry out, but it is far from dry. I'll tell you what, guys. Oh, my water hose had mud on it. I just got a fat chunk of mud on my teeth. Hold up, we'll be back. Let me clean it. Peace. All right, guys, we're back on the move. You know what sucks is, dude, my fork seal is leaking in the front, and I think it already got on my brake. So I really kind of got like no front brake right now for some reason. Well, it's probably because of oil on it. Pig right there. Stop, dude. Fuck. These big. Woo.
I thought you were gonna hit that fucking
hill climb?
that hill that they always hit, so I started going up and I saw you take off. So I was like,
There's two big ass wild boars right there, pigs.
really?
Yeah, they're right here in this tree. That was easy. Go hit that. My bad. down. So yeah, guys, I got my fork still leaking and my brake is fading. I got that tool at the truck where I could scrape everything away from it. Hopefully it'll seal it back and we won't have any issues anymore. I'm trying to save my pads because out here, you know, front brake is everything. Hopefully it'll burn it off if it stops leaking, and then we'll be good. There he goes. Yeah.
Fucking pissing me off, man.
We good. Man, dude. So exciting. I can't deny it. I really like it. See, got front brake locked up pretty damn good right now. Might not have been the best thing to do. No front brake, but we got it. Woo! Alright guys, gonna do it for this vid. Smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. Back out here ripping.